Hello. Excuse me. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. You Muslim?
Yes, I am.
I can tell from your hijab. That's why I stopped you.
Oh, good.
Okay. First of all, there is the camera there. I'm doing YouTube video. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
No, that's okay.
That's okay. Okay. I got a challenge for you. Yeah.
Okay.
First of all, my name is Yusuf Kabani. I am a big YouTuber. I have over 2 million followers on my YouTube channel. And I got a challenge for you, yeah? First, I will show the camera. Come, like this. I got an iPhone 12 Pro Max, yeah? Brand new, gold.
Oh, wow.
And I got a challenge for you,
Okay.
yeah? If you do it, you will win this iPhone. This will be to you,
Oh, nice.
yeah? Do you want to know what's the challenge?
Tell me.
Okay. The challenge is you have to take your hijab off.
Oh, my goodness.
If you take it off and you show me your hair, you will win this iPhone 12 Pro Max. I promise you it's gonna be you.
Oh, that is insane. How can you ask me to do something like that?
It's a challenge. Just a challenge. Would you do it?
No, I can't do that. This hijab is such a big part of me. I can't just take it off for a phone.
Why not? Why not?
Because it's such a big part of who I am. It's been such a big part of my religion. It's something I've worn for so long. I can't just take it off for a phone.
So you would say no for the iPhone. How about I'll give you £5,000 with this iPhone if you take it off.
As tempting as it says, I think the reward is going to be greater in Jannah. So I might have to pass.
In Jannah. Hello, excuse me. Assalamu alaikum. You okay? Basically, I'm just doing a YouTube video here. Would you mind to be on YouTube?
What's it about?
It's just my name is Yusuf Kabani. I just do like social experiment and stuff like in England and stuff like this. Obviously, it's in Arabic. I don't know if you know me or
I
not.
don't have much time though, so
Yeah. Just 2 minutes won't take from your time. I got a challenge for you. You know. Obviously, the camera is recording. First of all, you wearing hijab, yeah? I got an iPhone 12 Pro Max, yeah, and I challenge you something. If you do it, you're gonna win this.
okay.
I swear you're gonna win it. Yeah, in front of the camera. If you take your hijab off, you will win this iPhone.
Never.
Do it.
Astaghfirullah, never.
Astaghfirullah, never. Why not? Why not?
Because hijab is everything, and nothing in the world will make me take this off.
Whoa, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.
Oh, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah, yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Nothing, yeah.
Nothing. Like even if okay, £10,000 and the iPhone, you wouldn't take your hijab
Never.
off.
Never. Not even a billion.
Never. Not even a billion. Oh my God. To be on YouTube?
Why are you recording me?
It's just a YouTube video here. Would you mind to be on YouTube? Yeah, I'm just like doing social experiment and stuff. Can you see this iPhone? It's iPhone 12 Pro Max. You will win it if you do one thing. Yeah,
He's gonna ask you to take your hijab off. Sister.
I'm gonna ask you to take your hijab off.
People don't know, yeah.
Yeah, would you take your hijab off for an iPhone 12 Pro Max in front of the camera and in front of her? She said no because she said she's Muslim. She would never do it.
Yeah.
Exactly. How about you?
I mean, yeah, I'm Muslim, but I wear it for fun, you know. I don't
You wear it
really
for
like.
fun.
I would do an iPhone 12 Pro Max for this.
Yes, you're doing an iPhone 12 Pro Max if you take your hijab off. Would you take it? Yes. Myself. Look at the camera here.
He's actually.
Yeah, you don't believe me. You don't believe me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open this in the front of the camera. Yeah. Okay. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Can you see? Look, everyone is looking. Record everyone. Record. Look, everyone is looking at the camera. You will win it. You will win it if you win this iPhone. You will do it.
You can save up. Honestly, don't do it.
Oh, so you defend her not to do it?
Obviously. Why should she?
Okay, if I take you off now, just show you like my hair a little bit.
Whoa, she will do it. She said she will do it. What?
Keep recording.
What's your reaction?
Okay, I'm just
She
gonna
said,
take you off a little bit, yeah?
whoa, she's doing it. She's doing it. What do you think about this?
Hold on. I took it off.
Oh my God. What do you think? She took it off now. She took the hijab off.
You know what? Like, it's your choice, but like, I don't get it.
It's an iPhone 12 Pro Max. What do you mean?
How long have you been wearing hijab?
Since I was like this.
You know this is being recorded and everyone can see.
Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, let me tell you. It's just a prank. It's just a prank. She's with me. Yeah? She doesn't really wear hijab. She's with me.
Thinking, 'cause you hijab was a bit loose. I was like,
Muslim.
She just became Muslim. She just converted Muslim. So, but because you did this reaction, yeah. Wallahi, like you're a Muslim. Like I challenged you not to take your hijab off, and you will win this, and you didn't do it because you did this. Can you see this iPhone 12 Pro Max in front of the camera? This is gift for you.
for real.
This is gift for you in front of the camera.
Everyone is better.
Yeah.